Is it normal to have a vaginal discharge every day? As women, most of us would have faced some amount of white discharge per vagina at some point of life or the other. But how much of this is normal and what is abnormal? What exactly is this vaginal discharge? The reproductive tract has certain glands which secrete small amount of liquid on a daily basis. This is a kind of protective measure that helps in shedding of the dead and degraded cells of our body. However, this discharge may sometimes become copious and it may present with problems. Most often, it is related to the menstrual cycle. A normal vaginal discharge can occur either just before the menstrual cycle or just after it. It can also occur around ovulation time, that is around mid-cycle. Sometimes a vaginal discharge can happen post-sexual intercourse or even when a person is sexually excited. So most often this discharge may be minimal, thin or mucoid in consistency. Sometimes, however, this discharge may be pathological. So if this discharge turns odorous, malodorous, that is if it starts smelling or if there is itching associated with it, or sometimes if there is some kind of bleeding apart from during the menstrual cycle, or if there are rashes along with the white discharge, then such a discharge is not healthy. And if any of us are facing such a discharge, it is better not to self-medicate and to meet our doctors as fast as possible. What can cause this kind of white discharge? So this pathological discharge can be caused by a fungal infection or yeast infection, in which case it may be thick or curdy white. In some cases, it may be caused by bacterial infection, some of the most common being bacterial vaginosis or trichomoniasis, and sometimes it can also be caused due to STDs such as gonorrhea. Whatever the cause of it, it is important that when this discharge is distressing, that we meet our healthcare provider and take the necessary treatment that is needed. If not, it can lead to further sequelae and side effects. Thank you.